Easiest way to start Amazon FBA from scratch, step-by-step guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are planning to start an online business this year, then Amazon FBA can be a good option to start from scratch. But I know Amazon FBA can be a difficult for you because of many steps to do and maybe you don't know where to start. But today I will show you exactly the easiest way to start your Amazon FBA from scratch and earn hundred thousand of dollars for less than a year without even creating your own product to sell or do marketing. I will try my best to be more specific and give you much details as I can about Amazon FBA. So before we start, just a disclaimer that this video is not a financial advice. So now let's dive in. So first we need to understand what is FBA. So FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it simply means that you produce or find a product and you send it to Amazon, and Amazon will store your products and they will do the selling, shipping the product to your customer's address, and also they are the one who will take care of returns and complaints from customer with their customer service. So all you need to do here is to send your products to them and just wait for your products to sell and receive your profit every 2 weeks. With this, no matter where you are, you can do Amazon FBA. As long as you have a good products to sell, then you can do whatever you want. You can even travel anywhere and Amazon will just help you getting profit without any hassle in your end. Compared if you are the one who will make your own store from Shopify or from any other software that help you create your own store. You're the one who will be doing the selling, you always gonna check everything, your inventory, your customer order, everything in your end time to time. And you're responsible to deal with your customers' complaint and returns. And that is kind of stressful and a lot of pressure to do in your end. But with Amazon FBA, they will help you not to face this kind of problems and stressful work. So now the question is, where can you start? So here I will show you the main points where to start for your Amazon FBA business. So here are the main points that you need to remember. To start, first, find a profitable products. So before you can do FBA, the first thing that you need to do is to do product research. You need to check what products that sells well for this year or for this quarter or for this season, for example, because having the right product can help you get more profit and selling the wrong products can cause you losing money. So here, when you do Amazon FBA business, it's not just selling any products that you like, but you must do research to see the demand of products that you want to sell, to identify if it's gonna be profitable or not. So my suggestion, you look for products first that is on trend now or for this month or maybe for the next month, or products that will suit for the upcoming events. For example, just assuming it's September now. So when the season goes September, October, November, you can focus on Christmas products, like for example, Christmas light, Christmas tree, or you can get Christmas fashion clothes, for example, just like that. So let me show you how you can do the basic product research. So let's try to Google Christmas decor, the most popular. So Google will show you results of different website that has a content about most popular Christmas decor. So just check each website or visit more website here and take note of the product that they recommend that can be a popular Christmas decor to sell. You can also make use of Pinterest to search for ideas about popular products. So once you identify what products to sell, then the next step is to look for a supplier. You can find bunch of supplier on Alibaba or AliExpress. So just go to alibaba.com or aliexpress.com and find this product that you like to sell in their website. For example, the Christmas decor. And always take time to find the supplier because here in these websites, there's a lot of supplier here that offer different prices for the same products. So take time to find the cheapest one and try to contact the supplier and negotiate with the book order price. And if you can have it less when you do business with them, like a business partner. And always ask for sample products to see the real quality of the item because you don't want to sell low quality products on Amazon. That might give you a profit, but not for a long time, just for a short time, since your buyer will not gonna trust you again when they found out that you sell low quality products and they will advertise your product negatively to their friends or to the people they know. Third is you need to have money to invest for this business. Yes, you need a capital because once you have a supplier, then you must take a book order and you need to pay your supplier for your supplier to process your order. And the minimum startup cost for an Amazon FBA business is around $1,500 to $2,000, depends on what type or kind of products you want to sell. You can also request your supplier if they can customize your logo to add in your product. Because having business on Amazon, you need to also build your own brand. Having your own brand can help you getting more sales, especially if your products are in good quality. And if many of your customers satisfied, then they can just promote your brand. So it's very essential to consider having your own brand here and add your logo to your products. You can create your own logo, by the way, from canva.com. It's a free software tools for graphic design, easy to use, just drag and drop. So let me just go here. So here, just search for logo and it will show you a logo layout. And then you have a lot of elements here that you can choose from to use in your logo designs. So let me just skip this one since this video is not all about Canva design. So I will go ahead and move forwards. If you have the money to invest, then process your book order from your supplier. Then once you have your order, then the next step is send your product to Amazon Fulfillment Center so that Amazon can start having business with you and sell your product. So once you are done with this step, then Amazon will do the rest. They will do the selling, they will market your products in their online store, and we know that Amazon is a good store to sell products because everyone go here to buy good quality products and a lot of people trust their online store because customers here know that if they don't like the item or if the item is broken or not the correct item, they can easily contact the Amazon customer service to return and ask for a new product or have a refund with no hassle at all. And by the way, that is also one of the disadvantages on Amazon for me because it's very easy for the customer to return their products and ask for a refund. Even Amazon is the one who will deal the returns for free, but in your end, that can be a loss of sale, which is bad. So that's why always make sure that your items that you are selling here are in good quality and good condition. Now, then the last step here is scaling your business. When you start your Amazon FBA, you must focus on what you want to be. You must have a direction and be ready and prepared for growth. Have a good communication with your supplier is a good start to grow your business. And here is my simple tips to grow your business here on Amazon FBA business. Always contact your supplier ahead of time because order in book can sometimes takes months to process and it may take more than a month for you to find another supplier if in case something bad happens to your primary supplier, like they will be running out of supplies or products. And as you can see here on the Amazon side, for one product, you have thousands or hundreds of competition. So for you to be successful or to be on top, you need to make sure you always have available products. And you will not run out of products if your product sells well. Because in this case, that you will run out of products, customer will start looking for another seller. And with that, you are giving your competitor a chance to steal your potential customers. Also, another tip, try to have a good quality image of your product. You can request it from your supplier or you can simply ask for a sample product that have your own brand and logo printed on it and take a photo on your own product or you can hire product photographer to take nice shot of your products to use for Amazon. Also consider adding good product descriptions and make sure that you include more keywords to your product description for your product to be displayed on top. Keywords are words or phrases that commonly used by the buyer when they look for an item. For example, customers search for affordable Christmas decor. Then in your product description, add the phrase affordable Christmas decor because that is a keyword. And another thing you can do is to set or make a bundle to your items for you to have an edge against your competition. For example, having three items in one bundle. That can help you also make more sales to your products and other products as well. But make sure that the item in bundles are perfect match, like dress and belt, for example. Or for makeup, you can do like foundation plus mascara plus lipstick. It's three in one bundle. That's a perfect bundle. So these are the easiest way to start on Amazon FBA and start making money. But again, you need capital to start this business because this is a serious business that you have partner with Amazon, the very well-known online store. I already mentioned one of the disadvantages from Amazon FBA, which is the easy product return, and that can be loss of sale. And the others are first, since Amazon do all the selling, shipping, and customer service. So for seller, you have two different service fee. There is individual fee, which you pay 99 cents for every item sold. That will be applied once item is sold. The other one is the monthly subscription of $39.99. This will be taken out from your Amazon account every month. And if your Amazon account don't have balance, then you can pay it with your card. And the other disadvantage is that you have thousands of competitions. So another tip you need to do extra marketing in your end for your product to be recognized by your potential buyers. You can consider doing social media advertising like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Pinterest ads, and more. Especially if you just started and you are a new seller and you don't have any existing customer yet. So I guess that's all for today's video about how you can start your Amazon FBA business. So I hope you learned something from this video. And if you have any question, guys, you are free to comment below. And thank you for watching.